Canaries sing to find love. Canaries are known for their beautiful songs, but here's the science behind it. Those tunes are love songs. Male canaries sing to impress females, showing off their lung strength, brain coordination, and overall health. The more complex and melodious the song, the more attractive they seem as partners. For females, this is nature's way of selecting strong genetics for their chicks. Singing also helps males mark their territory and warn rivals to stay away. Interestingly, young canaries don't just know how to sing. They learn by listening to adults, and their brains even replay songs during sleep to practice. It's like musical training hardwired into their biology. So, when you hear a canary's melody, remember, it's not just music, it's communication, competition, and romance all in one. Amazing, right? Stay tuned with PetWise Hub for more pet science explained.